When we speak of necklaces, we are speaking of more than simple adornment. We are speaking of history, of culture, of artistry, of the intimate dialogue between human intention and the materials that nature or craft provides. A necklace is a line drawn delicately across the body, a curve that embraces the form, a rhythm that travels from the collarbone to the chest, sometimes descending further, sometimes resting close and intimate against the skin. Every handmade necklace carries with it a story, the story of its maker, of its wearer, of the traditions it inherits, and the innovations it inspires. For women, the journey of necklaces begins with the collar. Measuring between 13 and 15 inches, or 330 to 380 millimeters, the collar sits high upon the neck, encircling it like a soft halo, a frame for the face, a gentle assertion of elegance. Collars are often fashioned from supple leather, which molds over time, softening into a second skin, from delicate lace, whose airy filaments flutter with each breath, from beads that catch the light in subtle dances of reflection, or from simple string, humble yet purposeful, capable of supporting a single pendant or simply tracing the curve of the throat with quiet sophistication. Worn on a long neck, the collar elongates the line of the body, lending a sense of poise that is understated yet commanding. It invites contemplation, encouraging the eye to follow the gentle arc it forms, from nape to chin, from shoulder to shoulder, whispering elegance without pretense. Slightly longer and broader than the collar is the choker, measuring 15 to 17 inches, or 380 to 430 millimeters. The choker is a necklace of presence, asserting itself upon the wearer with subtle authority. It is not merely worn, it is inhabited. Each movement of the head causes the choker to respond, to shimmer, to catch the light, to draw the eye to the contours of the throat and the openness of the chest. Yet it demands attention to proportion. A short neck or a round face may struggle to carry it. For the choker thrives on space and elongation. When chosen with care, it becomes a statement of style, a quiet dialogue of confidence, elegance, and intimacy between the necklace and the person who wears it. Descending in length, the princess necklace, between 18 and 20 inches, or 450 to 500 millimeters, rests gracefully upon the collarbone. This length is ideal for pearls, whose smooth, luminous surfaces reflect not only light but a sense of timeless sophistication, or for pendants, small talismans that carry meaning or memory. The princess necklace enhances the outfit, bringing harmony to the ensemble, drawing attention gently to the upper torso without overwhelming. It offers charm, balance, and a softness that transforms the ordinary into the memorable. The matinee necklace, spanning 20 to 24 inches, or 500 to 600 millimeters, falls between the collarbone and the bust, a length of versatility and grace. Matinee necklaces are ideal for pendants, whose movements create rhythm, whose surfaces reflect light with understated brilliance. This length suits nearly every occasion, lending elegance to casual wear, formality to office attire, and a sense of ease to evening gatherings. The matinee necklace is neither demanding nor understated. It exists harmoniously with the body, moving with natural grace, accentuating lines, enhancing gestures, and elevating posture. Longer still is the opera necklace, 28 to 36 inches, or 700 to 900 millimeters. This necklace falls upon or just below the bust, a dramatic line that commands attention while maintaining refinement. Opera necklaces can be layered with shorter strands to create depth and contrast, or worn singly to elongate the torso, to draw attention to the elegance of the ensemble, to whisper sophistication with every movement. Historically, such lengths have been worn in theaters, at grand balls, and in salons where fashion and social presence intertwined. The opera necklace becomes both accessory and statement, blending the artistry of the maker with the personal poise of the wearer. Finally, we encounter the rope necklace, the very long strand stretching 36 to 42 inches, or 900 to 1100 millimeters, descending to the belly button. The rope necklace is freedom incarnate. It can be doubled or tripled, wrapped around the neck in inventive configurations, layered with pendants or left bare as a flowing line of color, texture, or brilliance. This necklace invites creativity, expression, and individuality. Its length transforms it into a dynamic, living piece of jewelry, interacting with movement, posture, and light in ways that shorter necklaces cannot. The rope necklace is not merely worn, it is orchestrated, a performance of style, grace, and self-expression. Extender chains, typically around 2 inches or 50 millimeters, allow flexibility, offering subtle adjustments that make each piece truly personal, accommodating preference, occasion, and the natural variance of the human body. Men's necklaces follow a slightly different path, emphasizing proportion, comfort, and understated style. Short necklaces, 18 inches or 450 millimeters, rest snugly at the base of the neck, offering a subtle accent that complements rather than dominates. Medium lengths, 20 inches or 500 millimeters, offer a relaxed yet intentional style, visible without excess, present without intrusion. Longer necklaces, 22 inches or 550 millimeters, fall below the collarbone, providing a canvas for pendants that tell stories, symbolize personal meaning, or offer decorative flourish. Very long necklaces, 24 inches or 600 millimeters, descend to the chest, creating lines that draw the eye, commanding presence with elegance rather than ostentation. Each handmade necklace, regardless of wearer or length, carries with it the potential to transform. The careful selection of materials, the thoughtful crafting of links and beads, the delicate balance of proportion, the interplay of light and shadow, the tactile joy of texture, all combine to elevate a necklace from simple ornament to expressive art. Beads may whisper stories of distant lands, metals may echo traditions passed across generations, threads may bind memory to form. Each curve, each arc, each shimmer becomes a dialogue between maker and wearer, between history and contemporary life, between personal taste and the enduring beauty of craft. Necklaces are extensions of identity, intimate statements of taste, guardians of elegance, and markers of culture. They trace the body in lines of artistry, enhance movement with rhythm, frame faces with gentle attention, and create harmony between form and adornment. From the delicate, high collar to the dramatic rope, from the understated short strand to the layered opera, each piece is a conversation of proportions. A meditation on beauty, and an invitation to self-expression. To wear a handmade necklace is to engage in an ancient practice, one that reaches back into human history, where adornment marked identity, status, and artistic expression. It is to participate in the continuity of craft, to honor the skill of makers who understand not only materials but human form, who balance aesthetics with comfort, who anticipate movement, light, and posture in each creation. To craft a necklace is to translate intention into form, to guide the hands of the maker toward the subtle perfection of proportion, rhythm, and harmony. And so, necklaces are more than jewelry. They are poems in beads and metal, songs in thread and lace, expressions of self, culture, and creativity. Each necklace tells a story, carries a memory, enhances a posture, and invites contemplation. In choosing, wearing, or creating a handmade necklace, one engages with tradition, embraces artistry, and celebrates the subtle, enduring beauty of adornment that flows across centuries, cultures, and human experience, echoing the intimate, enduring desire to enhance, to express, and to create beauty that moves with life itself.